This June is going to be an absolute bloodbath. Right now, the four most powerful AI labs on Earth are gearing up for a head-on collision, and Elon Musk just fired the ultimate opening shot. Out of nowhere, Musk revealed that Grok 5 has finished training. It's a massive 1.5 trillion parameter monster, 3 times larger than the current version. But it's how they trained it that should terrify OpenAI. xAI secretly fed Grok massive amounts of real-world data from Cursor, the elite AI coding tool used by over 67% of Fortune 500 companies. Musk didn't just build a smarter chatbot. He handed Grok the ultimate answer sheet on how senior human engineers actually write, debug, and deploy software. The timing of this launch is a calculated tactical strike. On June 12th, SpaceX is going public on the NASDAQ with a targeted valuation of $1.75 trillion, the largest IPO in human history. To anchor his AI empire before the IPO, Musk locked down a massive option to acquire Cursor for a staggering $60 billion. Step 1. Buy the world's best data pipeline. Step 2. Feed it into Grok. Step 3. Launch an elite terminal agent called Grok Build that runs up to 8 AI sub-agents working in parallel. Why the frantic rush? Because June is going to be incredibly crowded. OpenAI's GPT 5.6 just leaked in the background with a massive 1.5 million token context window. Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.8 was just spotted hiding in the Google Vertex background. And Google's Gemini 3.5 Pro is locked in for an official June release. 4 frontier titans colliding in a single 30-day window. But while Silicon Valley is screaming over corporate data, a senior researcher at DeepSeek just dropped a bombshell that proves where this automation is actually heading. Deli Chen, one of the core architectural brains behind DeepSeek R1, just published a definitive 46-page academic survey on autonomous research agents. The mind-bending part: he openly admitted he only wrote 1% of it. The remaining 99% was generated entirely by his autonomous AI agent framework. The first draft took a mere 76 minutes. The entire multi-page, flawlessly cited paper took just 6 days of autonomous computing. Chen noted his actual human brain time spent thinking was less than 2 hours. We are officially witnessing an unprecedented inflation of scientific research, where tasks that used to take human scientists months can now be autonomously generated in an afternoon. And if you think the West has this race locked down, think again. Alibaba's Qwen 3.7 Max just shattered the global code arena leaderboard, taking 4th place globally and completely dethroning GPT 5.5 and Gemini 3.5 Flash. Developers instantly put it to the test. In a blind challenge, 4 frontier models were ordered to build a fully playable 2D racing game from a single complex prompt. Gemini spat out a broken, scattered UI. Claude created enemy cars that moved in lazy, copy-pasted symmetry. GPT 5.5 looked decent, but required multiple rounds of frustrating human debugging just to run. Qwen 3.7 Max executed it perfectly on the very first try. It was the only model smart enough to code a proper title start screen, and it flawlessly implemented custom engine and item collection audio that the other models completely ignored. Total cost? A mere $1.32. Alibaba built Qwen specifically as an agent foundation model. In internal tests, this thing ran continuously for 35 straight hours, executing over 1,100 complex tool calls with 0 instruction drift, 0 infinite loops, and 0 memory degradation. The narrative that open-source or non-US models are trailing behind is officially dead. Between Musk's trillion-parameter giant, OpenAI's massive context leak, and Alibaba's 35-hour autonomous agents, this June will permanently redefine software engineering. Who are you backing in this war? Elon Musk or the raw efficiency of Qwen? Drop your thoughts below. Smash that subscribe button for more raw AI updates, and I'll see you in the next one.